doing a new method today. Yo, I did an illusion crochet hairline. Did you hear what I say? Somebody say hairline. I was putting 2 and 3 pieces in at one time because see.
Sis, do your thing. Ain't nobody finna sit up here and judge you. Nobody.
Then you put you on a black stocking cap, bam, you're on your way to the dollar store to get your Windex. It's really just that simple. Hey, cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Yo!
Here we go. Okay, y'all. Okay, so I'm bringing you a slay today. We're doing a new method today.
Let the church say subscribe.
It's not new, but it may be new to you. I don't know. It just depends when it comes to crochet braids. This is real easy. It's gonna seem extra, but listen, it's not. You know how some stuff just look extra, but it's really nice. I'm gonna guide y'all through it. But I'm gonna give you the details on this hair and this style and why this hairline is popping. I know y'all think this took a couple hours to do. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you about this hair and this wonderful illusion of a hairline. Y'all know I'm all about the illusion, baby, because I'm not gonna spend all day in my hair because I have what? Things to do. Even when I don't, I do. You know I gotta show love to my subscriber today. You already know that. Bam. Cousin on my YouTube side. You are the bomb.com. Alright, y'all, this hair has been brought to you by Toyotress. Y'all know I fool with Toyotress. This is their water wave hair, y'all. Real quick, cause you know we all about that quick slay. This is for my lazy cousin, and sometimes I'm included in that number. Okay, this for when you want an ignorant crochet install that look like a full crochet hairstyle that look natural and illusion-fied, but you don't really have that much time because see, you gotta zoom in, so you need something real quick. Cause you had forgot about it. This hair was 32 inches. Okay. Now, if I was doing faux locks, I might fool with 32 inches. I've done long locks on my channel before. Y'all check. I ain't lying. I've done long locks before, and they was real cute. So I'm not against it. I just wasn't doing that today. So I went on ahead and just snipped them in half and started that way. Now, I know this looked like a full head of crochet braids. I know it looked like that. It's not. This from here on back is a wig that I made in probably about 35 minutes. Now I'm gonna tell you what I did when I made this wig. Because it's ignorant and curly, water wave, see, water wave, you can get away with a lot of stuff. That's why I'm full water wave, man. I do, man. So I was putting 2 and 3 pieces in at one time on that on the net, and then just double and triple knotting it. That's it, that's all. It does not have to be as complicated as you may think. You know, if this was straight hair, if this was blowout hair, even wavy hair, then okay, you gotta have a little bit more grace to it. But when it's ignorant and curly like this, you ain't got to do that. It's water wave hair does not judge you. You see.
Sis, do your thing. Ain't nobody finna sit up here and judge you. Nobody.
So I literally was putting 2 or 3 pieces in there one time. That's why I was so quick. But I knew what the end was going to be, so you can do that. And what I mean by that is this right here. This strip of hair right here. I did an illusion crochet hairline. Did you hear what I say? Somebody say hairline. This method has been around for a long time, but when it comes to crochet, I've been into like the butterfly locks, twist, the braids for so long. I haven't really been doing any loose crochet hair, so I haven't really had the opportunity to illustrate this to you. But I was like, oh, this would be a great time because I'm using loose hair. This particular install, I did it in a way that your roots just look natural. This gives you a natural hairline. Just look like you got your hair pulled back when you pull it back. I chose to do it the real quick way and just make a wig and set it behind the hairline. Blends in perfectly. You put you on a black stocking cap, bam, you're on your way to the dollar store to get your Windex. It's really just that simple. Y'all know I try to make it as easy, quick, and simple as possible.
That's that's the direction that I took it.
I'm not sorry about it. I'm not. You think I am? I'm not. Basically, in a nutshell, it is creating like a cornrow with the one end of the hair and then just adding it to your hair. 6 bundles of hair comes in this one pack. For this style, that is more than enough. This is very light. This is not tight on my head. Y'all know I don't play those reindeer games. And you don't even need this. You'll see at the end. Like, I just thought it was cute. I saw it down here. I was like, oh, that's cute. I got colorful. I'm colorful today. So I just thought it'd be a nice additive. Just for style, y'all. This was not to cover nothing up, boo. Because I know it's somebody. I know it be people at the boy, y'all, boy. I ain't lying. We didn't have to do this, honey. It's for the style, okay? It's for the style. But y'all, when y'all see how we flex this hairline, you gonna be like, cousin. Oh, cousin. Oh, cousin. Yeah, I'm gonna get y'all over to the demo. But again, this is Toyotress Water Wave Hair. Big shout out to Toyotress. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Right? Just like that. You a part of the family. All right, y'all, let's get to the
Demo.
But I wanted to show y'all how long this is. Y'all, it is long, okay? So I'm gonna cut this. I wanted to show you the length first so that you see. I know a lot of people like long locks, long curl styles. Bam, you can have that. I'ma cut it. Y'all see this? If y'all are looking for a good quality water wave hair, this is what you want. Y'all, this is so long. It gets really, really real. Before I cut it, I wanted to let y'all know, okay? Water wave this and water wave that. And back to it.